This video is dealing with inserting columns, inserting rows, deleting columns, and deleting rows. We're going to start with inserting a column. If, for instance, we wanted to insert a column between columns F and column G, we could click on the column G column. We could click on the G for the column, and we could go to Insert, and then we could come down to Insert Sheet Columns. And what that does is it pushes everything that was in G over to H, and we would have a new column to type in. If we decided that we didn't want that blank column in there, we could click on column G to select the entire column. We could go to Delete and delete sheet columns, and it would take that column out. If we wanted to insert a row, let's say we wanted to insert a row between 12 and 13, we would click on the number 13 to select that row. We would click on Insert and Insert Sheet Rows, and it leaves a blank line for us to type on. If we decided we wanted to take out that particular row, we would click on the number 13, we would come to Delete, and we would go to Delete Sheet Row, and it would take that out. Now, one thing to keep in mind is, notice how we selected the number 13 so the entire row would be selected. If I'm just in A13, my cell address A13 is the one that is active, and I click on Insert and Cells, then it gives me the option to insert an entire row, insert a column, or shift cells down or shift cells to the right. If I click on Shift Cells Down and tell it OK, it's only going to shift the cells in A, which is not giving you a whole blank row to key in. So you've got to be very careful and pay attention to what you're doing when you start inserting and deleting.